If your Windows search is not working, you can type in the search box or the search results are blank, don't worry. In this video, I will show you the best working solutions to fix Windows search in Windows 11. Why this happens? This usually happens because of Windows search services stopped, corrupted search index, Explorer issues, and Windows update bugs. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This is how you can support us. Let's fix it step by step. Fix number 1. Restart Windows search. Hit Ctrl, Shift and Escape button. Task Manager window will appear. Go to the search bar and search for Search Host. Expand the Windows Search Indexer. You can find Windows Search. Right click on the Windows Search Indexer and choose End Task. Windows will automatically restart the search process. Now go to the Windows Search and try searching. If this is not works, move to the fix number 2. Restart Windows Search Service. Hit Windows plus R button. On the Run window, type services.msc. Hit enter. Now find Windows Search. Once you found that, right click and hit Restart. Again right click on the Windows Search Service, go to Properties and check you have Startup Type enabled as Automatic. Once you're done, apply and save OK. Fix number 3. Rebuild Search Index. This is most effective method. Hit Windows plus R button. Now type Control, hit enter. Control panel window appears. Now search for indexing options. If you don't find it, change the view by as large icons. Then click on the Windows indexing options. Click on the advanced. Now in the troubleshooting section, click on the rebuild button and hit OK. The rebuild may take several minutes depending on how many files you have. Fix number 4. Restart Windows Explorer. Hit Ctrl, Shift and Escape button. Go to the search and search for Windows Explorer. Once you find the process, right click on that, then hit Restart. This refreshes the taskbar and search. Fix number 5. Repair Windows files. Hit Windows plus X button. Click on the Terminal Admin. Say yes. Now type sfc /scan now. Hit enter. Wait for the scan completion. Then type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Then hit enter. Wait for the completion. Once it completed, restart the computer. Fix number 6. Install Windows updates. Right click on the Start menu, select Settings, go to Windows Update, click on the Check for Updates and install any available updates. Important note, if search works but is very slow, Windows may still be rebuilding the search index in the background. Give it some time after rebuilding. So that's it guys. This was the quick and simple video to fix Windows search. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Fixsage for real Windows fixes. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.